Hey, this is MIJAN here. In this video, I will show you how to set up Facebook Pixel browser search tracking for Shopify with the help of Google Tag Manager. If you are running Facebook ads, then Pixel is must for you. It helps turn your ad clicks into real customers, and it tracks your visitors and show your ads to the right people at the right time. So without further delay, let's get started. You can see this is my demo store, and to set up the Facebook Pixel events, first I need to connect a Google Tag Manager and enable the Shopify DataLayer. So I already created a web container. Now I need to connect this tag manager with this website. To connect this, first of all, I need to go to my Shopify backend. You can see this is my Shopify backend. And from here, I need to go to settings. Just click here, and then you will see here the customer events. Just click here and click on add custom pixel. Then write a name. I'm going to write something. Then add pixel. Okay, fine. Then I need to remove all these things. Okay, so I just need to copy this code. This is the Shopify data layer. Just copy and paste this code here. Well, and I need to go to the customer privacy permission, and from permission I need to select not required, and from data cell, data collected does not qualify as data cell, and then save. Okay, pixel is saved. Now I need to click on connect. You can see here pixel connected. Now we can close this. Now let's see the GTM is connected or not. Let's click on preview, copy the website URL, then connect. View product. If I go to the tag assistant, you can see here the view item event has come. And if I expand this here, you can see for Facebook, there is a different schema data layer. And for this reason, you don't need to convert the GFO schema data layer to Facebook schema data layer. Okay, so to set up this, first we need to create some variables. I have mentioned the variable's name here. Go to the variable, the new. You have to select the data layer variable, and from here I just need to copy the Facebook browser site dot content IDs, and this will be save. And in this way, I'm going to create all these parameters variable. These are the events parameters. For advanced message, I need to create some another variables, and its customer information like your name, email, phone, etc. So I'm going to create this. Okay, for advanced messaging customer parameters created done. Now I need to create another variable. It's for external ID. It's custom JavaScript. Then copy this code and paste the code here and write a name. Well, then save. Parameters created done. Now I need to create the triggers. Click on new, then custom event, then page viewed. Save. In this way, I will create other triggers, custom events. It will be view item. Okay, this is the last trigger. So purchase, then click on save. Triggers are created done. Now tags. Go to tag and click on new. You need to find the Facebook pixel. And pixel ID. For pixel ID, I need to go to the event manager. You can see here, and from here you can just easily copy this and just click here, plus icon. I'm going to create a constant variable for this. Just paste it over here, then save. This is the pixel ID. Then event will be page view. Okay, for page view we don't need any parameters. Well, the trigger will be page view. Fine. Tag name and save. Again, go to new. Then pixel ID. This is the pixel ID, and the event will be ViewContent. And now we need to send some parameters for this event. You can see, well, first one is content IDs, then content category, content name, content type, contents, then currency, and last one is value. Right. Okay, value. Then I need to select here the property value, the content ID's property value. You can see category. This is the category, the name, content name, and type. This is the content type, then contents, currency, in value. Okay. Now we don't need to do anything. Just go to trigger section and select the trigger. Trigger will be ViewContent, the tag name, and save. Well, now again go to new, select this tag, again pixel ID, the event name will be AddToCart, again object properties, click on add property. You see here for AddToCart parameters name, content IDs, content name, content type, contents, currency, content category, and value. Okay, fine. And content IDs, content name, content type, contents, currency, value, and category. Then trigger will be AddToCart, and tag name. Well, then save. Now initiate checkout event. Again, the pixel ID. This is the initiate checkout. Then object properties. Need to provide the property name and then property value. For initiate checkout, content IDs, currency, and value. Then property value, name, category, contents, num items, currency, and type. Fine. Now again trigger. The trigger will be checkout, the process. The event name will be process, object properties, content IDs, name, category, contents. Okay, parameter value. Then order ID. Order ID means transaction ID. And trigger will be process. But for advanced messaging, we need to click here, enable advanced messaging, and turn on the customer information. We need to send some parameters here: email, phone, first name, last name, city, country, zip code, and external ID state. Okay, done. So I enable the advanced message and send these parameters, you can see. But for others event, we need to send the external ID. So just write a name and save. For others event, first phase view, just click here and customer information, just select the external ID and send the external ID. Save. Then view content, enable advanced matching, external ID, save. AddToCart. For initiate checkout, it's also same. Okay, our text setup done. Now we need to check. First we need to go to the event manager and then test event. We click on preview. Okay, the tag manager is connected. If I view a product, this is the means cap and this is the value. Well, if I go to the tag assistant, you can see ViewContent event is fired. And this is the DataLayer. If I show you the variables, you will see there is no category in my shop. This is a demo shop. That is why the content category is undefined or there is no value. Content IDs, then content name, content type, content ID, contents, then currency. If I show you through the MIJAN part, you can see this is the ID and this is the name, means cat, and external ID. Okay, fine. So let's click on AddToCart, then check out. If I show you in the event manager test event, you will see here all these parameters are going: value, currency, content IDs, content name, contents, and initial checkout. For every event, the data is patching. That's fine. This is the quantity on. And if I check out another product, let's see. That means I'm going to purchase the multiple items. Okay. Purchase is done. Okay. If I show you the customer city, customer address, email, first name, last name, there is no state and font. That is why there is no value. Then customer zip, everything is coming. And if you show the external ID, this is the external ID. Fine. And if I show it through MetaLegal helper, this is the purchase details. You can see 2 items and name, order ID. This is the order ID and the value, and advanced matching parameters are assigned. And you can see here in the GTM preview, most of the cases people can't see the preview sections for Shopify, but in my case you can see here. Fine. If I show it event manager, you can see the purchase event. This is the details. By the way, if you need any help with pixel tracking or any kind of tracking setup, just feel free to reach out to me on WhatsApp or email. I will be happy to help. And if you found this video valuable, stay connected with me by hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching and see you later in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.